Bluey races out the door shouting, "Like and subscribe if you love the beach." Bingo runs after her with Coco and Snickers close behind. Everyone is carrying buckets and shovels. Dad follows with a cooler while Mom carries a big umbrella. Today is beach day and the excitement is unstoppable. The sand is warm under their paws. The ocean sparkles like diamonds. Coco twirls. "It's so pretty." Snickers points at the waves. "They look huge." Bluey grins. "Perfect for adventure." They begin with a sandcastle contest. Bluey builds tall towers. Bingo makes winding tunnels. Coco decorates with shells while Snickers digs a moat. The castle grows so big that strangers gather to watch. Dad claps proudly. "That's an epic fortress." But then a giant wave crashes in and the whole thing collapses. Everyone gasps, then bursts out laughing. Bingo squeals. "That was awesome." After drying off, they spot dolphins leaping in the distance. Coco shouts, "Let's wave at them." The dolphins seem to wave back with their fins. Suddenly, one dolphin splashes closer and flips high in the air. Snickers yelps. "It's showing off for us." Mom suggests a treasure hunt. She hides shiny stones in the sand while the kids close their eyes. "Ready, go!" They dig and shout with joy. Bluey uncovers a big sparkling shell. "This is the ultimate treasure." She lifts it high as if it were a crown. Everyone cheers. Later, they eat sandwiches under the umbrella. Dad tries to nap, but Bingo sneaks up and draws a funny face in the sand next to him. Coco and Snickers giggle so loud that Dad wakes up and pretends to chase them. The kids scatter screaming with laughter. As the sun lowers, Bluey gets a brave idea. "Let's swim out just a little farther." They paddle together until the water lifts them gently. For a moment, it feels like flying. Bingo points. "Look, the sky is turning orange." Coco whispers, "It's magic." They float quietly, watching the horizon. The dolphins leap one more time as if saying goodbye. The friends return to shore and sit side by side. Mom wraps them in towels. Dad smiles. "Best beach day ever." Bluey holds the sparkling shell against her chest. "I'll never forget this day with my friends." Bingo nods. "Me neither." Coco and Snickers agree. The waves roll softly as stars appear above. And hey, if you had fun joining Bluey and her friends at the beach, don't forget to like this story and subscribe for more adventures.